Hi guys, welcome to the Drive channel. So in today's video, I'm going to give you guys some simple effective boom and crash strategies you can use to what you can use to scalp in the boom and crash market. So this strategy is very effective, guys, and it's a accuracy strategy, guys, with no drop down. If you can make use of strategy wisely and use it as I'm about to show you guys today, you'll be in drop down trade, which means that you'll be clearing the boom and crash with this strategy with little or no drawdown. So make sure you stay tuned until the end of this video, guys, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also turn on post notification anytime I post a strategy. You guys will be aware. As you can see, I've already backed the strategy, and this is the profit I'm currently earning with the strategy. You can see this is $5,000 profit, and it's what and it's a boom and crash strategy, guys. So I also want you guys to know that we do account management. So we do account management starting from $10 account upward. We do account management was $10 to 1K, 2K, starting from $10 to and above, $10 and above. So which means that if you have the $10 account, you can come to us. Just text us on this WhatsApp number you are looking at the top. So just text us at that WhatsApp number. Then we manage your account for you, and then we grow your account and make you become a profitable with that account management. So if you want that, just text us at this WhatsApp number. Text us at this WhatsApp number. And also we have a channel, so you can join our Telegram channel. Link in the description below. You can join our Telegram channel. It's totally for free, and there's a lot of signal dropping in the Telegram channel. So without wasting most of our time, let's quickly drive into the strategy. So this is it. This is the strategy. So let me first show you guys the setup for the strategy before I tell you guys how you can make use of the strategy effectively. But I tell you guys how you can make use of strategy effectively. Now, what you have to do is just go to this icon right at the top. Then let me first delete everything up, not to waste much of our time. So this is how we are going to add everything up. The first thing that we are going to be adding in your main chart is the moving average. Now this is the setup for this is the parameter for the moving average. The period is 20. The zero method is linear width, and then the apply to y. The style 3 pixel. You can choose color of your choice. Then you are good to go. Just click on done after you set everything up like that. Now the indicator you are going to add your indicator window 1. So just click on this icon right here. Or this one. Sorry. So click on this icon right here. Now after click on the icon, then you must add your stochastic oscillator. So sorry for my voice today. I usually don't feel much better, so but I had to let you guys know about this strategy. So that is it. So sorry about my voice. So this is stochastic oscillator. This is the parameter for stochastic oscillator. So set everything up like this. After you set everything up, then click on done. And this is the level. Sorry, we cannot forget. This is the levels for the stochastic oscillator. This is the levels. This is the level of stochastic oscillator. So after I set everything up, then click on done. Now the second indicator we are going to add on our indicator window 1 is the MACD. So add your MACD. This is the parameters for the MACD as well. This is the parameter. Fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD EMA is 5. Apply to close. This is the styles. Set everything up like this, then click on done. Now the last indicator we are going to be adding is our alligator. So this is the parameter for the alligator. This is the parameter, guys. This is the parameter. Set everything up like this. So when you set everything up like this, then you click on done. So If you set everything, when you set everything up like this, you are going to then you go to your what? You go to your chart and you will see everything like this. You can see how it looks on my what on my own. This is it right here, and this is the moving average. You can see now we set everything up like this. Then you click on then click on done, and we have your indicator set up. You can see this trade that I took. You can see this is the zero drop down trade. Is the zero drop down trade. I should have scrolled the trade since, but this will the video. This is the how I want to show you guys the strategy. That's why I'm still holding the trade. So now, how are you going to make use of the strategy? How are you going to make use of it? Now, this is how you guys are going to make use of strategy. Now, the first thing, now let's say you want to what? Let's say you want to scalp. You want to scalp in the market, like you want to scalp 10 to 20 candles, and you are out of the market. This is how you are going to do it. Now, the first thing you have to look at, you have to be looking at is what is your moving average. It's your moving average. You wait for the for a candle to close above your moving average. You wait for a candle to close above or below your moving average, which means when you see a candle moving below the moving average, you see a candle moving below the moving average, then you that is the first confirmation you need to see before you take your trade. Now, back to our indicators. Now, our alligator, you can see you have to let your alligator touching the stochastic oscillator 90 to 80 levels. Now, as you see that happen, then you have to see your MACD, your MACD changes increasing in volume, which means the stochastic oscillator is increasing in volume. You can see that is it. You have to see your stochastic oscillator as well was at the top of the stochastic oscillator and increasing in volume. So that is when you are going to take your trade, and you catch 10 to 20 candles, and then you are out of the market. Now, let's say you want to catch spike with the strategy. Same thing you have to do is you have to if you want to catch spike now, you don't need your moving average in your meter. You don't need the moving average. What you need is what you need is you have to wait for alligator to touch the 10 or 5 levels of the stochastic oscillator. Now, after the alligator touch the 10 to 5 levels of your stochastic oscillator, then you see your alligator touching the stochastic oscillator 10 to 5 levels. Then you have to see your MACD, but increasing in volume as well. Increasing in volume, which means the MACD as well need to touch 10 to 5 levels or almost touching the 10 to 5 levels of the stochastic oscillator, or almost touch it. Then you take your entries. You can see what the MACD did here, and you can see what the market also did, spiking to the top side. Now let me show you guys one more example. Let's show you guys one more example right there. So you can see something right here as well. You can see the alligator touching the 10 levels of the 10 or 5 levels of the stochastic oscillator, and you can see what the MACD as well almost touch the stochastic oscillator 10 to 5 levels, and you can see what the market does, spiking to the top side. That's how you guys can make use of strategy on boom. So let me show you guys how you can make it also on crash indices, so it will be a lot more easier for you guys. So now this is the crash indices, this is crash indices. Now let me show you guys how you can use it to scalp take 5 to 10 candles, and then you are 5, 10 or 20 candles, then you are out. This is how you guys is going to do it. Now the first thing, as I explained to you on bomb, you have to see the candle closing above the what, closing above the bone, which means bone, the candle have to close below it, and on price the market the candle have to close above the moving average, which means closing above it with what, with the 1 or 2 candles, then you are into the trade. Now that's the first confirmation you need to see. Now the second confirmation you need to see is what, you have to wait for your alligator to touch 10 to 5 levels of the stochastic oscillator, and your MACD as well touching the stochastic oscillator and also increase in volume, increasing in volume. Then you catch 10 to 20 candles and you're out of the market. Now let's say you want to use it on what, to catch spike. Now you can see you have to wait for your alligator to touch 90 to 80 levels of the what, of the stochastic oscillator, your alligator and your stochastic oscillator touching 90 to 80 levels, and then you wait for MACD to also touch the what, the stochastic oscillator and also increase in volume. Then you catch your spike, as you can see it right here. As you can see it, this is right here. This strategy is very, very effective and it's a accurate, 100% accurate strategy, guys. You make use of it wisely. So another example, let's show you guys one more example. So you can see it right here. This was scalping. You can see what the market does, and you can see it right here. You can see that's this right here. That is it, guys. That's how you guys can make use of the strategy. You can see it right here. You can see it. So that is it, guys. That's it, guys. I hope you guys see a lot of benefits with this strategy, and this strategy is very, very effective, guys. You can make use of it wisely. You'll be making the market crazily, guys. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to do me a favor by what, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also turn on post notification. When I put on strategy, you guys will be aware. Also, guys, we are offering account management as well. We are offering account management starting from $10 and above. So if you're interested in joining our account management, just contact this number right at the top. Then we do account management for you, and we share the profit 60-40. So if you love that, then contact us now. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and turn on the post notification for another post strategy. You guys will be alright. Thank you, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.